Okay guys, we're heading off this morning to Midvale, to P&S Logistics, picking up the new project. So here with Dan, and yeah, we'll cruise out there and we'll go from there, mate.
So you excited, man?
Yeah, absolutely.
Get your new car?
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited anyway.
Yeah. Well, you know, when you buy a car like sight unseen, you just go by pictures and the FaceTime of what people have shown you.
Yeah. I can certainly
there's always hesitation.
I can certainly understand the nervousness in that.
Yeah, absolutely.
But at the same time, you know, you're adding a new toy to the shed. That's always a good day.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, like it's just working out what's the best options to go to as far as like wheels, heart transplant, all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
But at this point, I need to see the vehicle to find out what I'm going to do with it, and then I suppose the vehicle will speak to me where it goes from there.
That's it. Well, you're going to have a good sort of 40-minute drive in it to get back to here, or to get up to Neil's.
Yep.
And then we'll go have a quick look through it. So you're going to have plenty of a drive to sort of sort it out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here she is. It does say don't start. It just started yesterday because we ran it for a while.
Okay.
So the keys are in it. Check her out.
That is what I actually thought it was going to be.
That's easy enough to fix. Remove that.
Yeah.
Get rid of that tow bar straight away. Look at that sundowner tailgate. Woo!
That's solid, mate.
Yeah.
That's obviously been replaced with that's a different colour.
Yeah. I don't know, because this is the same. They've just painted it. They've just painted it in Hammertone, that's all.
Why they painted that colour and then this one?
Oh, who knows?
I suppose it doesn't really matter anyway, because it's not going to be that colour anyway for the inside
clean.
once we get it done.
Very clean in there.
Yeah.
Full hood lining all the way through. Look at that.
Yeah, just got a whip on that one over there, but that's
alright. So sundowner option standard XC.
yeah. Sounds pretty beefy, isn't it?
Yeah, man, sounds alright, eh? There's certainly no rattles or ticking or knocking or anything in there. Oh, cool exhaust, that's why it sounds alright. Yeah, exhaust.
Absolutely. Yeah, but this thing's got to go.
Yeah, absolutely, get rid of that. Look on that stuff. Bloody thing.
Yeah. That's the problem when people put them on, they bloody forget that they should put the removable ones. Lower, yeah.
Nice and clean. The dash. That's right, let's cruise, eh?
Yep, sounds good. Alright, power steering's awesome.
Yeah. What a ripper. Feel alright?
Yeah, seems a little bit loose in the front end at the moment.
That's
but
right.
that could be just me not being used to it too. So
It was built in the 70s. It's like me when I get in the WB, mate. She feels like
Yeah.
she's all over the shop.
No, she feels all good. I don't know if I think that fuel gauge isn't working
Oh, okay, rightio. Yeah.
because it didn't move at all, didn't flux. We'll soon find out when we fill her up.
That's it. It's best to know that you've got fuel in there to be guessing.
Yeah, so that may be something we might have to look at if the fuel gauge is gone on it.
Yeah, it'll be the sender or something like that.
Yeah, so we'll have to get that fixed before we take her over the bloody pitch.
It certainly needs to be lowered in the back end.
Oh yes.
It looks very, very tall from behind.
Yeah.
And these look like cheese cutters.
Yeah, that's embarrassing, isn't it? Yeah.
Nah, it's classic, man. Classic. It's
But
not.
they reckon 265 is the widest you can go, but I think it looks like it could go wider.
Yeah, I don't know. Depends on the offset of your wheel, maybe.
Well, standard offset's what, 4.5? Thursday, even at 6. That's a normal 60 litre tank, so yeah.
It'll take 59, 60. Yeah, so she was nearly empty, man.
Yeah.
So your fuel gauge might work after all. It might have just been below empty, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm lucky we got here.
Sure was.
It was?
Yep.
Okay.
I saw you putting your hand out and I was going to tell you that there's no
Yeah,
need.
because it wasn't flashing and I can't feel it click.
Oh, right, yeah, no, it
So
was
when you
definitely
put it
working.
down?
It was working, yeah.
Okay.
So how'd it go?
Yeah, brakes feel hard.
Yep.
God, that seat's uncomfortable. Spring's going up your ass, but that's okay. But
We'll sort that.
I think she's running. I think way too rich.
Yeah, okay.
Like it's.
Sounded like it was
a lot of
idling
smell.
pretty high when we first started
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Water pump's fucked.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, mate.
Okay. That's probably why she almost bloody overheated at the start.
No, that's why I was making so much noise when it was coming up the drive.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Rumbly, 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 rumbly. Good shock at that side. You've probably got a buggered booster. It's probably blind the diaphragm. That's why it's so hard.
Okay.
And that'd explain why it's running rough too, because you've got a bad vacuum leak.
Yeah.
It's got tailgate. Oh, it's a cool
Yeah,
one.
that's it. Sundowner spec, mate.
Yeah. Some monsters under there.
I mean, she seems a little bit loose in the front end, but that's about it. It doesn't seem like there's too much.
Falcon, mate, the design like that.
Yeah.
My WB's got about as much play as that in it, probably, if not more.
There's a little bit there, but not much.
Yeah.
Well, that's in the...
It's got power steering, and maybe it's just because of the power steering, and this is lighter than what it was on the Holden. That ain't going nowhere. That's not even connected up.
That's your washer bottle.
Yeah.
That wasn't even hooked up over there. No?
So that means that's all. That one will have to get all that fucking
Yeah.
redone to get over the pits.
Have you even got a bottle?
Ah,
there's
There's a bottle there, yeah.
yeah.
It's alright, it's just a
No
little bit
hose in it.
Just buy some hose and
Yep.
That's if this is that motor and that's working.
when you press the button you'll hear it.
Yeah. Give it a shot.
Whoa,
Yeah.
she works.
She works, just needs a hose.
All right, so we've had a look at the old girl. Doesn't need a lot for rego, but we think just a brake booster and some bits of piping for your doggy.
Absolutely. And change a few of the light globes in the dash
Yeah.
to make sure they work, and that's about it, really.
Awesome. So that is that's a good thing.
Yep.
Buying it sight unseen, and now we know.
Yep,
Now we've
Now
actually seen it.
Just got to get it done and get on the road.
Yeah, that's it. Well, that won't take long. We'll,
that's
we'll
it.
sort it out the next week or two for it, you know.
Yep, no rush. Would be nice if we're right for Wanneroo, but we'll see how we go.
Yeah, well, we can always aim for that.
That's it.
Just throw another permit on it and, you know, going up there for a brake test or something.
Yeah, mate. I don't know if I'll get away with it, but we'll give it a shot.
That's
Yeah.
it. Cool,
Nah,
man.
we'll be fine. Yep.
All
All
right,
good.
sweet dude. Well, that's it for today then. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on what happens with this old girl next.
Yep, that's it.
All right,
Perfect.
till next time.
See you guys.